Oh, I already got a bite there. I honestly don't know if I'm trespassing. I'm punching with a Senko. I can't believe it. Holy Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go again. I just got off work, came straight over here. I have no idea where I'm going. I saw this place on Google Maps. It's a small little pond, a little body of water. I honestly don't even know if I'm going in the right direction, but we'll see. Stay tuned. By the way, it's hot as hell, guys. It is 88 degrees, 4:30 in the afternoon. And this trail is a trail for people to ride their horses on. So it's great that these Google Maps have a compass. It's telling me to not go down the straight path. And as I turn this way to the right, it's telling me to go up here. Let's see what happens. So as I'm walking through here, it looks like water is supposed to come running down here. I don't know. This is crazy. Oh, this is crazy. Oh my God. There's a freaking pond here. There's actually a pond here. Oh. Now the next question is, does it hold fish? I mean, as of right now, I can't tell how deep it is. Whew, I'm out of breath. I don't know. Is this shallow? Yeah, I want to get a better feel, so I'm gonna change this bait. So I'm going to change the bait to wacky. We'll see what it does. I still can't tell how deep it is. Let's see. This thing seems like it's just inches deep. Maybe I'm casting in the wrong direction. I don't know. This is cool though. This pond is totally in the cuts. Very quiet out here. I honestly don't know if I'm trespassing. I doubt it. We'll see if we can get one though. We'll try the edge of the weeds out over there. Perfect cast. Oh, I got a bite. Oh my God. It's a largemouth. No way. Yes. There's fish in here. Woo! Oh, that got me hyped. Woo! First fish out of here. It looks like it's had some damage in the past. Let me turn this way so you guys can see it, but look, eyeball damaged. This side looks good. Woo! Oh man, that's exciting. Let's see how much more we can get here. Damn. Oh man, this is just awesome. Alright guys, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cast in the exact same spot. Actually I lied. Still about 5 inches. Oh, I already got a bite there. And he took my worm. Woo, hoo, hoo, hoo. Bruh. This is why I should be Texas rigging it, guys. They're under the mats. 100%. Ouch. You guys think I can make a cast all the way across this pond to the other side? Whoo, hoo, hoo, hoo. That's a Texas rig Senko too. Oh man. Shout out to Shimano. Corrado K. Awesome reel. Whew, I'm gonna get sunburnt. This water's probably so warm, and the fish in here are probably so lethargic from this heat. I'm gonna walk around to the other side of these tulies here. Looks like people's been here before. Dead grass, walkway. It's hot. Whoo! Whoo! Shaded over here. A little bit further down. Yep, fish. Oh my God, what is with this? What is with this? I suck. I suck at fishing. Holy moly. I'm gonna let him have it next one. Oh, here we go. I'm letting him have it. Oh, he has it. He has it. He has that one. Get over here. Get out the grass. Oh, shh. I had to horse him over here. Woo! Damn, you're not even that big. Is this the same fish that's been messing with me? Oh no. Fish number 2 though. Beautiful, healthy. Gotta give it a little toss here. Yeet! Nice. I'm punching with a Senko. Yep. I punched with a Senko. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah. Oh my God. I punched with a Senko. Woo-wee. Oh, sharp teeth. Oh boy. Another beautiful bass from the secret pond. Man, thanks for the fight. That was a fun one. Gotta give it another toss. Here we go. Yeet! Sweet. So the question now becomes, should I rig up a punch rig? Maybe after I'm done with this. Maybe after this one's completely fallen apart. Maybe I'll punch with that baby brush hog, maybe. I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna see what happens. I'm punching with a Senko. I can't believe it. That's a bite. Will he hang on though? Did he take it from me? Oh, yep. Woo! Fish number 4 from the secret pond, baby! This one's probably the smallest one out of all of them. Gonna give it yet another toss. Yeet! Yeah, baby. Well, 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 look who it is.
Finally made it.
What's up, dude? I caught 2 more over there.
For real?
Yeah, I'm at a total of 4. What's up, dude?
Oh, that's good. That's good. They're biting.
Oh my God. This shit's making my heart race, dude. Jesus. Holy sh**. Holy sh**. Whoo! Sounded like a frickin' cat. Oh, yep, this bite. The bandito. Woo! Yep. Punching right through the mats. And I believe that makes my limit. Whew, I almost ripped his lips off. Oh, there goes my fish. Alright, as I was saying, fish number 5, and I believe that makes it my first ever bass on the Guggen Baits Bandito bug. Cool. Let's get a release. Nice. Nice.